description. Welcome to Skill Snacks. Our channel is created by Diane R Anderson, MSN-ED, BSN, RN, a highly qualified and experienced advanced practice registered nurse and educator. We offer bite-sized and easy-to-follow tutorials designed for professional nurses, nursing students, and everyone interested in mindfulness, relaxation, and meditation. Whether you're seeking to develop new skills, enhance existing ones, or learn something new, Skill Snacks has got you covered. So, sit back, grab a snack, and join Diane on this exciting journey of personal growth and development.